Daddy issues is bullshit. The only thing about daddy issues that might be a little bit true is, you know, like a 16-year-old girl wanting to date a 70-year-old man. But other than that, daddy issues is bullshit, because what these women will say is they will say, oh, the reason why I pick bad men, the reason why I pick men that are no good, the reason why I pick men who are the sort of type of men I wouldn't want my son to be like is because I had daddy issues, because my dad wasn't in my life. I'm saying that's bullshit. Do you know how I come up with these theories? So what I'll do is I'll think about something and I'll come up with a theory in my head, and I will try to disprove my own theory by thinking of alternative realities and whatnot. Yeah. So this is how I come up with this theory that daddy issues is bullshit and it's just a made-up excuse for poor decision making. Because women will say the reason why they pick bad men is because they didn't have their dads in their life. Okay, cool. But what about the women who had their dad in their life? Doesn't matter if their dad was broke. Doesn't matter if their dad was a millionaire. They had a dad in their life that was loving, was there for emotional support, whatever you can think of. And that, why do those chicks still pick bad men? What's the excuse there? You see, the chicks that don't have a dad in their life, which is kind of like a lot of girls nowadays, because, you know, ultimately it's the women that have picked the wrong guys. So that's why they're not in their daughters' lives. But a lot of chicks can say, oh, I've got daddy issues, that's why I picked wrong men. No, it ain't got nothing to do with that. Got nothing to do with that. You don't know what sort of men to fucking pick. It's as simple as that. You got nothing to do with no daddy issues. I love my little sister, but I promise you, I love my little sister, but I will die for my little sister, but I promise you, she will pick a waste man as a boyfriend, because that's what women do. It's not about color. It's not about color. I love my little sister to death, but she will pick a waste man. Now, let me tell you about my little sister. She has a father in her life, yeah? So she has 3 men in her life, yeah, that treat her like a princess. Me, my little brother, he's 25, and my stepdad, which is her dad, yeah? We all treat her like a princess. So what's going to be the excuse when my little sister starts picking up some little waste man and that? What's going to be the excuse there? So you can't run with that daddy issues. Anyway, me and my girl was talking about this. And obviously, we were struggling to find examples of girls that did have their dad in life. But we come up with a couple of examples with girls that did have their dad in their life. And they still pick waste men. So why the fuck? So what's their excuse then? There's no excuse. Daddy issues is made up. It's made up. It's an excuse to absolve responsibility for picking stupid men. And then what these chicks will do as well, they will say, there's no good men around. But you ain't looking in the right places. Trust me. Good men will come around to women all day long, but they don't want them because you're not problematic enough. There's nothing to fix. You lot have seen that video of Pop the Balloon. Now, I done a reaction video to it. I didn't do a reaction video because everyone else was doing a reaction video. I done it off my own back because I saw something. And other people, I'm not saying they done it because of me, obviously, but what I'm saying is other people clocked onto it. There was this guy, he said something like, something kind of cheesy, like, I'm a water baby, I'm a fish out of water, or something like that. You know the guy I'm talking about. And all of the chicks, yeah, said that this guy was good looking. And they all also said, for some reason, I don't know, they didn't even know why they didn't find him attractive. I'm gonna tell you why they didn't find him attractive. Yeah. So no homo. Aesthetically, the guy's a good-looking guy. You know, if I died and came back to life and they say you have to be that guy, I'd be like, all right, there's plenty of worse options than that. Yeah. So no homo. Aesthetically, the guy is on the better-looking side of the good-looking scale. Yeah. The reason why they don't know why they weren't attracted to him is because he's a complete man. He's got his life in order. He has no problems. There's nothing for them to fix. I guarantee you, if that guy said, yeah, I just come out of prison, we're in and out of jobs and shit like that. Yeah, just trying to get my life back in order. I'm lost. I'm trying to find God. I don't even know what religion to. They'll be like, right, let's get to work. That's what they'll think. In the comment section, there were chicks who were saying in the comment section, what the hell is wrong with these girls? Where can I find a man like this? And obviously, I'm doing a reaction voiceover to this video. I'm like, hold on a fucking minute. These same chicks that are saying, what's wrong with these women? Why don't they like him? Where can I find a man like this? I guarantee you, if they were on the panel, they would not be interested in him. And the same chicks that were on the panel that were not interested in because they don't fucking know why, they in an alternative reality would be in the comment section saying, where can I find a man? I promise you, I guarantee you. There's no way of me ever proving it, but I'm the wise man, I know.